So the next thing you could do is you can do this thing by one more function. Alright, just let's just forget what I told you in the last 10 seconds, and I'll just tell you one new thing. Suppose you have another string called mango, and it is I think I love um, sandwiches also. Now it's a pretty dumb example, but let me just show it to you. What you can use is you can swap two strings with an inbuilt function. Say you wanted to insert this string into apples and this string into mango. You can do that with the help of swap function. Now to call the swap function, what you need to do is write the name of one string, that is apples, and then after the dot separator use swap, and inside swap you need to tell it another string with which you want to replace. So just insert your mango, and now the string apples, just bring it out here, apples, and a line here. All right, so we see out apples here, and on the next then we swap to both of them, and then you see out apples here. So let me just bring on this. Alright, so first it says I love apples and chocolate, and on the second line it says I think I love sandwich also. What it did is it just took this string and swapped it with this one. So if we see out mango here, it will tell us the exact same thing as it told us with the apples before. So let me just run this. Alright, so here it outputs I love apple and chocolate, and here also it outputs I love apple and chocolate, because here the first line of output is apples, and here apples is this one. After you swap this, this string comes inside the mango variable. So when at last we printed mango, says this, right? So this was pretty simple, I guess. The next thing you could do is, let me just clear this up. Alright, so we covered insert function, replace, erase, we covered swap, and now we have something that you must have encountered inside many programs, that is find. Now you can on any web, if you are in any web page or inside any document, you could find something by just pressing Ctrl F, right? So you can do that in this program also. You can do that by writing the string name, and then after the dot separator insert find, and inside here you tell this program what to find. Let's just take this pp. Suppose you wanted to find pp in a program. Let's just enter here this. It will tell you the index where it finds pp. So if we just print it out, and we just bring on this, might have got an error. Apple. Alright, it's apples. I forgot to put this. Alright, so it told us at the 8th position. We just count it from here: 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Alright, so at the 8th position it told us that it found pp. Now let's say you had apples and peppers. I don't know what it is, I just entered it here. Alright, and you are like having one apples here. So see, here we are having multiple pp in our document, in our string. Alright, so how do we find them? Now if you wanted to find out this pp, what I can do is I can use another function, that is rfind. Now what rfind does is it starts finding from the reverse of the string. I mean, the find function starts from left and goes all the way to right. The rfind function starts from right and goes all the way to left. So let's just bring it on this. Hopefully it will run. Alright, it says 25. So you could start counting from here, and this is 25th location. So this is at the 25th index, the rfind tells us the last one. Alright. So I think this is pretty much it about the string functions. And one more thing is left. I forgot to tell you, that is substring function. Now you can use a substring function with, if you wanted a string from between here. Let's just say sub str, and it takes two parameters. First is where do you want to start, and second, how many characters you want to take out. I mean, you want to print, alright, to make a substring. So let me just start at 5, 6, 7, 4, and 5 into 7. Let's just start with 7th character, and let's just move to up to 6 characters, right? So that should just print out the apples word as far as I know. Alright, it prints out apples. So it started at 7th character, that is right here, and it printed out 6 characters. So APPLES, that 6 characters. If you entered here 13 characters, it will have printed out apples and V's, whatever that is. So that was one more thing I wanted to tell you. This is all about strings, I think, and from the next tutorial we're gonna start something cool. So don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.